Hey there, guys and girls. I came home today and I was so surprised. There was something on my doorstep. You want to know what it was? You'll never guess. Right in time for Christmas, I got a present on my doorstep. And you know what? I know it was mine because it says to Mr. Tim, look at that fancy writing. I wonder who could have written it. Hmm. Should we read the letter? Let's do it. Hmm. Wonder who it could be from. Dear Mr. Tim, that's me. I've brought you an early Christmas gift, but you see, I need your help. I've brought you a book called The 12 Sleighs of Christmas. Oh, I've never read that book. Have you? Okay, let's see what it says. In it is a story that is quickly developing. It's getting close to Christmas, as you know, and I've brought you some things, not to spoil the story, but so that you'll be able to understand better what's going on and how you can help. All the best, your friend, Santa. Huh. Well, it seems like Santa needs our help, guys and girls. Should we open the box and see what it is? All right. Well, first, here's the book. Whoa. The 12 Sleighs of Christmas. Take a look. That doesn't look like his normal sleigh. I wonder why. Let's take a look. Let's see what's in the box. Oh, I always love taking these apart. Okay, let's see here. Oh, we have here. Oh, we've got a box in here. What's in here? Oh, wow. I think this is Santa's magic dust. What does he use that for again? Right, to get into people's houses when they don't have the chimneys. Yes, okay. Okay, what else do we have here? Christmas tree branches, pine tree branches. Oh, they smell so fresh. Can you smell that? Every Christmas, we always get a real tree. We can always smell it really nicely. Oh, that smells so nice. I'll pass that around. Red and green paint. Well, when I think of Santa Claus, I think about red. I definitely think about green too. I wonder why these are here. I wonder what it feels like. Oh, a screwdriver. And a tiny wrench. Well, there's no way Santa can use these. They're too small. Who normally uses little tiny wrenches in the North Pole? Well, the elves, yeah. I wonder why. This book is going to be interesting. I thought it was going to be Santa Claus's sleigh, but a tiny wrench and a screwdriver has me thinking about something else. What about you? Oh, and Santa gave us some treats, boys and girls. Yes, when we think about Santa, what do we think about? What kind of sweet treats do we think about? That's right, candy canes. He gave us a bunch of candy canes. Cool, how thoughtful of him. You know he's busy. Well, that's really neat. What do you say we read this book and we find out exactly how he needs our help, like he said? All right, let's do it.